friends! Today we're gonna be unboxing a Sailor Moon bedroom miniature set, and we're gonna be using this rement set to give it accessories if they're the same proportion. We'll see together. This is my first time using a second camera. Ooh, camera! So I'm gonna, I don't know how editing is gonna go, but we're gonna see. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh guys! Okay, there's Usagi. I see a Luna. I'll show. Oh, you cannot see that at all. So here I'm looking for the Usagi doll that I dropped when I stupidly dropped it and put it right in front of me, and I'm looking for it for minutes. It's right there. I just lost Usagi. Oh, I lost a chicken. I lost a chicken and Usagi. Give me a second. Usagi, where are you? I just lost the main character. I don't know where she is. Alright, I found the chicken alarm clock, but where's Usagi? Oh, she's right here! I'm an idiot. Okay, I'm an idiot. She's right here, and the alarm clock is not safe. Is now safe. Ma'am, are you okay? My cat will eat this, so I can't even put it in the trash can. We have the bed, her dresser, cabinet. Oh, I know this table. Our not harmed Sailor Moon. Put her on the bed so she can rest. Our alarm clock. What's this? What is this? Ooh, music player. Yes. This is so cute. Pillows. Her head pillow. There you go, ma'am. More comfort. Oh my goodness. Look at these miniatures. I don't know what this is, but I'm imagining it goes on the bookshelf. What is that? I don't know. Next layer. Oh my goodness. Cuteness galore. Another layer. I'm sorry. Last layer, but there is some stuff underneath. Okay. We have a piggy. Of Luna. A thingy. A mirror. Ooh, ASMR. I hope that was satisfying. Panda Snoopy toy. I wonder what that is. Okay, sorry, it's a chair. Oh my gosh! It's a mini Usagi! Oh, it's so tiny. Can you see that? Bunny, Kirby, no. Bunny, no. Kirby, Usagi means bunny in Japanese. Look at her little bunny doll. Books. Things for Usagi to study with that she doesn't. A vase. A pretty box with a pretty bow. I think her school bag? Lunchbox? I don't know. Our pencil case? Oh my god, wait. Okay, windows, boring. Okay, not boring, but I need to get that. Okay, these aren't actually anything. I think these might be legs to her bed or something. Guys, look. Oh, moon power. Makeup. Okay. Oh, I forgot something. Her corner shelf. There we go. And then the last thing in this box are these things. I don't know if I'm gonna put everything back away in the box when I'm done or like keep it on display. We'll see. Let's open this. That's a lot of instructions. Ooh, oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. This feels really nice quality. Well, it's paper. Yeah, it's nice paper. Base. This was my husband's birthday present to me. So yes, this was actually pretty pricey. It was my birthday gift, okay? And he doesn't just give me childish things. He gets me jewelry sometimes. So it balances, okay? Adult things, childish things, you get it. Ah! Oh my gosh, I want a blanket of this pattern so bad. My goodness. Guys, look at that. Oh, you can't see there. Guys, look at that. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Instructions. They're in Japanese. I am Japanese, but I cannot read Japanese. All right, let's figure this out. Okay, windows in... Okay, actually, I take it back what I say about the quality. I do wish this was like particle board, like something thicker. Oh, I almost smacked myself in the face. Like the base. Ha! Face base. That is jokes. Put it in the windows. shadows. I like the little shadows. Keep going. All right, number 2. I flip it over. Oh, these are window thingies. That's pretty legit. I am a pro. Look at me in technology right now. Look at me go. And I don't have an editor. I want one though. Beautiful. Okay, got it. I have a booger. I don't know. So the vanity. Oh my god, I got a booger on it. Or am I don't know. There's a scratch on it. It's a scratch right there. Okay, it's fine. Now we stick this in here. Okay, I just got a fingerprint on it. This is why the instructions say to take the clear off after this step, but no. I wanted to do ASMR. Then we stick this on the back. Cute! That's really cute. That's done. FaceTime. FaceTime, people. It's happening. Oh, they're different. This one goes here. I feel like I'm in an escape room. All right, here we go, people. Oh, yay! Does that look good? Does that look good to you? And then this one. Wow, it's coming together. Next it says to assemble usagi, but she's already assembled. Girl is good to go, right? She's good to go. I'm thirsty. I need a reference photo of what to do. All right, I need a reference photo or I cannot do this. I'm gonna use my phone. My phone's nice. It doesn't even come, okay, got it. Oh, okay. All right, there's our reference photo. You can't see anything. So this is her closet. Go here. I feel like I've been mumbling this whole video. I'm so sorry. I've been filming TikToks all day, so if you want to see more content from me more on the daily, you can follow me there. Next we have her bed, and her pillow goes that way or this way. I think this way. And then the chair. Corner table. Let's load up the bookshelf. So I see books here. I see books here. Music player here. Doll right here. I think this one's empty. Put that back. Box goes up here. Iconic chicken alarm clock goes there. Let's be honest, Luna wakes her up way more than that alarm clock. Books here. Lunchbox here. Now for the corner table. Usagi bunny there. Piggy here, piggy bank. Flowers on top. Plushie on chair. Table where all the girls meet. Pillows. And then Usagi on the bed. And then Luna. And then where's her blanket? Did I lose her blanket too? Hello? What? It's on the floor. It's on the floor. I didn't get it dirty. And then we tuck Usagi in. Oh, that is so precious. I like it when Luna sleeps with Usagi there, but I will leave her to be... I don't want to put her on the table. Put her there. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll put Luna there. Here are some beauty shots. Hopefully I can hold the camera steady enough for you. I'm really bad at that. And here's a bird's eye view shot for you friends. Next we're gonna move on to this rement set. So to find the whole kit unopened and all of them together was gonna be super expensive off of eBay. And I really wanted to get this for myself to go along with the kit Seth got me. So this is from a bunch of different places. I'm still missing Mars's set. So I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Next we're gonna move on to this rement set. So here are what all the sets look like. I have all of them in here, I believe, except for Mars, where that one's still in transit from Japan. I'm just gonna focus on this camera right now due to time. So here's the first set. I've already opened all of these already to make sure everything was there. But oh, we have Chibi Usa's set. Ooh, I do think this is still too big of a scale compared to the bedroom. I don't know. Let's unbox all of them and see how we feel. Next one. Oh! So this is Sailor Venus. We have Artemis. Oops. Yeah, you can see that the scale is a little bit big, but I'll open this for you guys and then we can call it the video. Also in the pamphlet it comes with, you are supposed to cut this out and then you put the crepe in it, but I don't like to cut it for some reason. I like to leave it be. Next one. This one is their wedding. So you can see this one's different because it's packaged differently, but this is Tuxedo Mask's wedding. So they have the bouquet of roses, his watch. Next, we have Sailor Mercury. What are we missing? Are we missing something? Oh, we are missing stuff. So we have her pencil box, some cookies, and then I have more accessories of her. Sorry if I'm rushing at all, I have to leave soon. So I'm a little bit crunched on filming time. So this is Sailor Mercury. We're gonna put some of her cookies back. Can't forget her books. Next we have this one, which has more of their wedding accessories. We have Luna and Artemis as cake toppers. There's their cake stand, and that is number 7. So the rest I have in here, this is the first pieces I think that I got before I realized there was a full set to collect. So here we have Usagi's book bag, another Luna, a Sailor Moon magazine, Sailor Moon's breakfast, or Usagi's breakfast, and you can tell that she eats on her way to school when she's late, and of course her magical pen. And then the last set in here is Jupiter. I love Jupiter. She packs the best lunches, so we have her little mini fork in her little container. We have her lunchbox. Look at this mini octopus hot dog, you guys. I got made fun of so much eating this as a little kid, so it's so cute to have like a tangible toy version of it. There's the lid. Look at the detailing, you guys. And then next we have her water bottle, and of course, and there's my cat. Okay, Pinto, you're like Godzilla right now. Okay, your tail's in my face. Really? Okay, thank you. Pinto, Pinto. Okay, you can be in the other video. Kirby. You have 2 cats here. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if I'm a little bit rushed. I'm actually already really late. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope that we can become friends and that you're a Sailor Moon fan too. And if you're not, you are now. I love embracing there's hair everywhere. Thank you for embracing Japanese culture with me. I've been loving embracing my Japanese side and doing so by collecting cute things from Japan. I hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions down below. Make sure you check out my other social media so we can be more connected. And I love you. Bye! Look at this kitty cat. Look at it. We love you. We love you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!